You've done a great job of keeping your car clean, but how clean is your engine? I'm Kanan, and today on the Way YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how to steam clean your engine. Now before you jump into steam cleaning, one thing you want to make sure is that you have plenty of protective gear on. Eye shields, safety glasses, gloves for your hands, clothes to protect your skin, such as long sleeves, jeans, and some good shoes. Now some of the tools we're going to be using are going to be a brush, some cleaner that is a non-petroleum cleaner. We'll have some engine dress spray at the end. You can use a compressor with a hose and blower or a leaf blower in its place. And of course the steam cleaner. Now before we get started on the project, one thing we want to make sure is that our engine is cool. So if you have recently driven your car or your truck, make sure to allow at least 2 hours for the engine to cool down. If it's a nice day and you haven't driven it at all, you can get started right away. Now the first step in the process is going to be removing any loose dirt. You've noticed I've taken off one engine cover just to make sure I can get down into the dirt and grime. You can use your leaf blower or your compressor and blow off nozzle just to remove anything loose in there. You can also use a shop vac to help vacuum out any loose debris such as leaves, pine needles, or anything else. Now next we're going to cover any electrical connections either with plastic wrap or you can use aluminum foil. The goal is to protect it from the steam. That way you don't have to risk water intrusion or anything else. Once everything is protected, you can then use your spray and a light brushing to clean any stubborn dirt off before you go using the steam cleaner. Now once you start using the steam cleaner, you want to make sure that the steam obviously is hot enough, so wait till it's the right temperature. And then you want to use a steep angle, but the correct angle, to drive dirt off of the engine. Once you use your steam cleaner to drive dirt off the engine, you can then just use a simple towel to wipe off any excess water that's left over. You can then take off any coverings over the electrical connectors, the aluminum foil, or the plastic wrap. And then when everything's nice and dry, you can just use a simple engine protector, just a simple spray. You can spray on to give everything a good clean surface to protect it. Now you're going to want to do this steam cleaning about every 3 months. Now you may have to change that frequency throughout the year. If you drive it less, you obviously probably have to clean less, but if you're driving it more, you may want to do this more often than once per quarter. Now if you like these DIYs here on the Way YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe. Hit that bell notification, that way you know when we release new videos. Follow us on Instagram at way.com_ and definitely on TikTok at way.com. Because at way.com, it's all about cars. We'll see you next time.